In just 3 years, this brand has over 15 million users due to its rapid growth and strong customer loyalty. Nykaa's story shows strategic skill and a strong dedication to the Indian beauty industry. Let us go back in 2012. Highly experienced investment banker Falguni Nair saw a big gap in Indian beauty sector. Variety was limited in established stores and international names were frequently out of reach. Nykaa took advantage of this challenge and launched as well as chosen online store with a large selection of real cosmetic products. Nykaa realized early on that traditional advertising would not work. They concentrated on creating educational, high-quality content such as deep beauty advertised designed specifically for Indian consumers and attracting video demonstrations and blog posts. Customers were educated by Nykaa based on content plans, which also helped to position the company as a reliable expert on beauty. With remarkable growth and a loyal user base of more than 50 million registered users, by 2015, Nykaa's approach was clearly working. A highly effective marketing run by Nykaa is the Nykaa Haul series, in which well-known beauty influencers highlight their best loved goods. Interest in buying and brand recognition are increased by this related material. Fast forward to 2015, Nykaa recognized the growing influence of social media and beauty influencers. Collaborating with these influencers helped Nykaa expand its reach and leverage personal recommendations. Simultaneously, the launch of these user-friendly mobile apps and the physical stores like Nykaa On Trend and Lux marked a crucial shift, transforming Nykaa into a household brand name in the beauty industry. With a Rs 85 billion valuation by 2020, Nykaa became a unicorn and changed the game in the business. It was reported that Nykaa was growing at incredible rate, selling the cosmetic product almost every minute. A total revenue of Rs 5,000 crore was reported in their most recent annual report for 2022-23. Representing an amazing 36% increase over the previous year. In 2024, Nykaa will have more than 50% of the Indian market, showing their ongoing control. Their marketing approach have changed over time, incorporating with AI for expert consultations virtually, strong social media attraction, and tailored recommendations. Nykaa's aspirations are worldwide, significantly a new stage in their development as they seek to break out into foreign markets. Nykaa's journey has become a model for business owners. They recognize an empty space in the market, welcome innovations on both online and offline platforms, and develop trust through insightful content. Nykaa continues to hold its position as a pioneer in the constant changing beauty industry by putting an emphasis on customization and providing a flawless beauty experience. Have you ever bought anything from Nykaa's online and offline stores? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for joining. Remember to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more engaging stories on Indian businesses.